Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu with fruit. First, select your favorite fresh, ripe fruits like berries or peaches. You'll want to prepare them by gently washing and slicing, then macerating them with a little sugar to enhance their natural sweetness. This refreshing twist on a classic dessert is perfect for any occasion, offering a lighter, brighter flavor profile. We'll use Ladyfingers as our base. Next, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. Whip your mascarpone cheese with a touch of sugar and vanilla until it's wonderfully light and airy. Carefully fold in some of your prepared fruit, ensuring not to overmix. This step is crucial for maintaining the cream's delicate texture and preventing the tiramisu from becoming too dense. Remember, a light hand makes for a perfect cream. Now for the fun part, assembly. Quickly dip your Ladyfingers into a fruit juice or a light, complementary syrup. Be careful not to oversoak them. Arrange a layer of these dipped Ladyfingers in your dish, then spread a generous layer of your fruit mascarpone cream over them. Repeat these layers until your dish is full. This layering creates that beautiful, classic tiramisu look. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Once your tiramisu has chilled for at least 4 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully, you can garnish it. Top with fresh berries, a few delicate mint leaves, or a light dusting of powdered sugar for an elegant presentation. Slice and serve this delightful, fruity tiramisu chilled for the best experience. Enjoy every refreshing bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.